Uso na naman ang team building. So bago kayo gumastos ng malaki, tanungin nyo muna ito. Ready na ba yung mga leaders ninyo na mag-build ng team? Kasi hindi naman nakaka-build ng team ang team building facilitators kahit gaano pa sila kagaling. It is the leaders who do it. Tsaka yung team building, it's like a double-edged sword, no? Kapag tama ang timing mo at mahusay yung leadership, it works wonders, no? People connect, they align, and they synergize. Pero kapag ka ang leader mismo ang hindi handa, mas malaki pa magiging damage niyan kaysa gain. Kasi yung leader, kung yung leader ay walang tiwala at hindi rin mapagkakatiwalaan, tapos siya lang lagi ang tama at ang kanyang team members, sila ay laging mali, anong klaseng teamwork ang mabubuo nun? Diba? You don't get commitment, you don't get accountability or focus on results in that kind of environment. Ang nabubuo mo dyan yung CYA culture or cover your ass culture. Yung kanya-kanyang diskarte, kanya-kanyang iwas at sisi. That is the opposite of teamwork. Team culture doesn't magically appear during team building activities. No, kahit gaano pa yan kasaya. It's built daily by who? By the leader. The leader sets the tone. The leader builds or breaks the team. So bago ka gumastos sa team building, baka dapat ang una mong investan ay yung mga leaders. Baka kasi hindi team building ang kailangan kung hindi team leadership development. And when leaders lead well every day, you might not even need a one-day event to build a team because they're already doing it every day. I hope this helped.